Hey Jamie, this is Francisco from Amplify Digital Marketing, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help and bring in more customers to your business or just outbeat your competition online. Now, most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? So oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners like yourself are too busy running their own business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I have found that by creating a free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business has helped them understand who's an expert and who isn't. And by doing this for free. So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, well, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now, let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So this is your site, air design, heating, and air conditioning. You need about 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. You guys have, counting all this, 565 words of content. Now let's look at your competition. Sturm Heating and Air Conditioning, they have on this page, including their reviews, 3,000 and 1,400 words of content. Now it's still very beatable in how it's being optimized. So now let's look at what every month people are searching for HVAC Spokane 500 times, which you miss out on being number 1. Let's take a look at your competition. They're currently ranking, if you look at the organic listings, they're currently ranking number 1, right? Again, very beatable. We can help you with this. The second thing I want to talk to you about is citation, okay, which is obviously clearly we can see here what is called Google Map Pack or Maps. That's what we like to call it. On this Google Map Pack, there's 3 things that that your business is showcased, right? Your business name, the address of your business, and then your phone number. Okay. Now I'm going to pull up this tool that I have, which is called White Spark. And you're probably wondering, well, where do I stand, right? So if we go back here and we click on trying to see where you're at specifically, if we keep scrolling down, I'm looking for air design. Currently, right now, right here you are. You're probably ranked like number 10, between 10 and 15. So once again, we can still help you increase your rankings. Now, going back to White Spark, currently right now, your competition has 59 citations and you have 51. Now, a lot of these citations, if I were to click on here, a lot of these citations are submitted word for word into sites like Facebook, Bing, Yelp, Yellow Pages. And the reason why is because they have your specific information like your address, the name of the business, and your phone number. All right, so the last thing I want to go over is backlinks, okay? And this is very important aspect to Google. We call this thing that gives your site authority link juice. As you can see, if we look at HVAC Spokane, right, you're not ranked number 1. Your site is not number 1, right? And if we keep scrolling down and look for it, let's see where you're at. Clearly, we got some work to do, but once again, this is why I'm showing this so I can help you out. Now, to give you a perspective as far as why it's so important to have backlinks is you want to be able to outbeat your competition in every aspect. Now, what a backlink or a link juice is simply put and works like this. Okay, you have a site A pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. I'm going to pull up your site, which I have this tool. It's called Ahrefs, and it basically helps me understand how many backlinks you have. And currently, right now, you have 343 backlinks. However, it's very important to have backlinks that are specific to your type of business. For example, if you have a HVAC site linking back to you, that would be way more effective than Pizza Hut linking at you because you don't sling pizzas for a living, and that would actually hurt your rankings on Google. Okay, now going back, you have 343 backlinks. And then your competition here, if we go here, Sturm Heating, they have 775 sites working for them. But once again, it's very beatable. Now, looking down, we can see that you guys have these amount of links. Therefore, well, your competition here. Therefore, we can take every single link, at least the ones that are most impactful, and we can go after them for your own site, which is why I love using this tool. All right, so in conclusion, I want to go over what we went over today. So one, content. Your front page needs at least 1,500 words of content. 2, citations. You want to have between 200 or 300 of these to outbeat the competition by a landslide. 3, you need link juice. Okay, you need backlinks. You need more relative sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority, which is going to help you outrank them when it comes to citations, get you up here to the top 3, and then rank here organically. So now, if you implement these strategies today, you can be number 1 across Google. You can either go with this information I provided with you today and do this on your own, and I am totally cool with that. Or if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 509-402-2892. Once again, my name is Francisco. My number is 509-402-2892 from Amplify Digital Marketing. We are located here in the Yakima Valley, Central Washington. So have a great day, and thank you for watching this video.